Good. GG. Exceptional, superb and great location. Exceptional, superb and great location. Good, recommended. Okay. Great start. Breakfast was excellent. Level 12 rooftop pool was fun. Free bike to get out about with before the heat of the day. Exceptional, everything is great and I enjoy my time there. Good, perform. Good, perform. Working plus rest and relax with family. Hotelnya lumayan fasilitasnya bagus, staffnya ramah, makanan enak, sangat membantu memfasilitasi YG travel bawah bayi usia 8+ bulan. Dibungkusan 4 paket sarapan pagi KRN Jamo 6.00 Wib Harris Jalan K Alahan Panjang, Tidipais box off Yuk Bubur Atha Wet Salama Perjalanan. Ada box Malang dan Resto Nazgar Patai Dengan Mia Robustnya YG Enak BGT. Recommended, romantic face, fantastic stay. I had a fantastic stay at this property. The location was excellent, with easy access to nearby attractions. The staff was friendly and attentive, providing great service throughout my stay. The facilities were top-notch, offering everything I needed for a comfortable stay. The room is very clean and the TV quality is very good, LG brand, with numerous choice of channel. The breakfast is great and delicious. Great, semoga bisa selalu mempertahankan hospitality nya, kebersihan dan kenyamanan.